This lesson we're going to be looking at perimeter. Perimeter for any polygon is always going to be the sum of all of its sides. For this polygon, we're told the perimeter is 38, so we're going to set 38 equal to the sum of all the sides of this polygon. And when we combine the like terms on the left side, we get 3x plus 23. Subtract 23 from both sides, and then divide by 3, and x is going to equal 5. Again, for this polygon, we're told that the perimeter is 40 yards. So we're going to set 40 equal to the sum of all the sides. When we combine all the like terms on the left side of the equation, we get 3x plus 22. And then we're going to subtract 22 from both sides, and then divide both sides by 3. X equals 6.